Libong fruit-bearing trees ing tenam ning Balibago Waterworks System Incorporated king katlong banwaning reforestation project. Ay ning report.
Balawos ng panimunan ng Balibago Waterworks System Incorporated o Balibago Waterworks ing pamanyese king kalikasan kay batmita nam libong fruit-bearing trees ketiking watershed area king barangay Sapang Bato bilang parte ning Adopt a Watershed Reforestation Program. Agpang kang Balibago Waterworks President Crisel Alejandro, maulagang apanatili la reng watershed uling reti reng magsilbing susi bang mika usto at balabalaw sa supply ning malinis sa dano.
It is important for us to preserve our watersheds and plant more trees because this is critical for the security of water. It is through our trees and forests that we are able to capture the rainfall, manage floods, and prevent soil erosion.
Inyang 2022, megadaping kumpanyang 10 hektaryang gabon king Sitio Balaru, Sapang Bato, lalam ning proyektong awsa na Project 10,000 na maglayong makapananam 10,000 na tanaman hanggang 2029. Manibat inyang pasinayan yung programa, inyang October 2022, may kapananam ning Balibago Waterworks kabilugan na 4,000 na tanaman kabilang na rengmita ng pakapilan. Ing AWRP, panimunanin ng Abacan River and Angeles Watershed Advocacy Council o Araw ACI, kaya duwangan ng lokal na gobyerno ng Angeles, Senro, BCDA at Kaapka. Kapag nasana niting amuyutan la rin pribadong sektor na magada mo namang gabon king watershed at mananama babang king libong tanaman balang hektarya. Amuyutan nala namang Alejandro, rengaluwa pang kumpanya at individual na magisan metong king makanining proyekto. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.